How to delete Marvel Future Fight account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily delete your Marvel Future Fight account in just a few simple steps. First things first, launch open the Marvel Future Fight game on your device. Now go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you're inside this settings menu, click on account from the top. You'll see a delete account button on the bottom right, tap on it, and then agree to the terms and conditions by checking the little square box. But make sure that you go through the information first. If you proceed to delete your account, then you'll be able to find 30-day grace period. Once the account deletion process is complete, all the game data will be terminated and cannot be recovered. During the 30-day grace period, game account deletion can be cancelled. After you delete your account, your ranking and friend information will also be deleted and it cannot be recovered. All the players' posts on the forum will also be deleted after the grace period is over. So if you're sure, you just click on this square box and click on delete game account and you will then be able to send the deletion request. Now you can tap on OK and you will then be able to get to the home page of Marvel Future Fight. If you ever want to cancel your deletion, you can tap on the cancel game account deletion button. So that is how you can easily delete your Marvel Future Fight account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.